Hey everyone, I just want to do a quick video on how to replace your windshield wipers. There are two types, there's rubber and silicone. The silicone ones I understand last longer, they're going to be more expensive. I looked at this one and it was 750,000 plus wipes, and I think it was around $6. And then there was one that was around $15 that was double that. So I figured, well, more than double the price, why not get this one? So essentially you're going to look at the size. That's what's going to be the most important, and most places you go is going to tell you what size it is. On my particular vehicle here, it's the Chrysler Town & Country. It is going to be a 26 millimeter for the driver's side and a 20 millimeter for the passenger side. So you have to buy one of each, obviously. If you can do the back, you can do that as well. So the first thing you need to do is lift your windshield wiper up. So essentially this hook one, you just flip this, flip this back, and then you should be able to just kind of pop it down this way, and it should come off. On this particular wiper blade, there was a little clip thing here, so I had to actually pull this thing up. If you can see that right there, to pull this up, and then it released it. And then I was able to easily just slide it right out. Simple as that. So basically, as you can see a little closer, this little tab here had to be pushed up in order to release it. And on the back here, before you buy it too, you're going to want to see which way it actually goes on, because obviously this here is showing this hook, which fits most vehicles, because that's kind of the new thing. That's kind of how most are. But if yours has a different type of connector, make sure that this is one that will fit on your vehicle before buying it. And it generally will be if you looked up what one fits for your vehicle. So I'm going to pop this out. Some of those other ones will actually come with the adapter to adapt it to the type of vehicle that you have. So again, when you open the new one, this little middle part has two different sides. The one that's rounded off, and then the other with the clip. The clip part has got to be facing away from the J shape. I'm going to slide this onto here, slide that onto here like that, get that on there, and then just once it's in, pull it until you hear a click, and then you'll know it's there. It is. You hear your little click, you know it's clicked into place. Now your windshield wiper's done. That's all there is to do. Just do the same thing on the other side, and you're all set. So obviously some places will do that for you for free, but it's as easy as that. If you have to do it yourself, pretty much anybody can do it. So hopefully this was helpful to you, and if so, give a thumbs up. What type of wiper blades do you use? Do you use the rubber type, which obviously wear out a little faster, or do you use the silicone ones? Love to hear what your recommendations are as well for wiper blades. So put those in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. We'll check you out in the next video. I'm going to do a removal of and replacement of your rear windshield wiper blade. But basically on this, you're going to see back here, there's a little clip right in here where my finger is. Right down in there, and that clip just needs to be depressed so that you can push the wiper blade toward the inside of the car, toward the middle part. And so when I do that and I push that clip in, I can then just push it, and as you can see, it came out a little bit. There's less flexibility of room to move this away from the car, so you have a little bit less clearance. But once that's popped, then you're just going to move this in, and then you can pull this out here, and you'll see that the blade should just be able to come off pretty easily. And then once you take that off, just grab your new blade. Okay, so what you want to make sure is that the rounded part here goes toward the inside of your J hook, as I call it. So, and then in this case, that means my clip to remove it is going to be on the outside. All I'm going to do is lift this up, put this up against the J hook, adjust this so it's at the proper angle to fit in, and then just slide it in, and you're going to listen for a click. Once you hear that click, it's in. That's it. You've just replaced your windshield wiper blade. There are some other mechanisms that are a little bit different on some wipers, but essentially this is what you have. So I hope this was helpful to everyone. If it was, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask below. Is there any different type of blades you use? Do you go with the more expensive ones, the less expensive ones, and why? I try to go with the cheapest for the back because it's not like you use it that often. So thank you once again. We'll see you in the next video.